bird, guys. That's amazing.
He just keeps trying to get the string that's tied to the pool.
Hence the term bird brain.
Oh my god.
Look at how he's jumping.
You can't see that on the camera. It's literally happening in real life.
I wonder how long he's gonna try to get it.
Oh no, he's looking at us. He just looked at us. He didn't see that. He's still looking at us.
Give it up. One more try.
No, he's gonna keep. He thinks he could get it.
Fooling
Oh.
you.
He went all out on that one. He may have pulled a muscle.
Should we go tell him?
Oh my god.
No, but he's like a candy.
It's
I feel
so
bad.
easy.
Oh!
That's a good one.
Maybe if I fly.
Oh, look, another bird.
This little friend is coming. Hey, buddy, help me. Whoa.
Here's your buddy.
Get him, little guy, get him.
I almost want to go cut a piece off for
Give
him.
it to him just for the effort.
He is not
Giving up.
giving up. Good persistence, little man.
He's a bird mom. He has no brain.
Yes, he does.
The definition of insane right there, kids.
He's
Do
doing it
the
over.
same thing over and over and over again, expecting a different result.